Hello students, yesterday we have completed how to find the area of the triangle and how to find the equation of straight line by using determinant method, and we completed some of the examples on that one. Today we go to next discussion, that is minors and cofactors, which leads to adjoint and inverse of the matrix. First we complete minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. In this one, first we complete minors, after that we go for cofactors. First we go for minors. Here we define minor of the determinant. So for that, if you consider one determinant delta equal to second determinant A11, A12, A21, A22. It is a determinant of order 2. Now the minor of this determinant is defined as it is a determinant in which determinant of, we say that the minor of the element Aij in general. Aij is the element of the matrix. If you consider matrix as A equal to Aij, it is a square matrix. This is nothing but the element of the matrix Aij. Now A equal to Aij square matrix, it is the element. Then we define the minor of this element is nothing but it is the element obtained by deleting the row and column in which position it is present, That is called minor of the given element. That is minor of the Aij. It is denoted by the symbol. It is denoted by minor of A11. It is given by M11. Minor of A12 is M12. In general, minor of Aij given by Mij, where I stands for row and J stands for column in which Aij lies. Minor is nothing but it is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column in which the element is present. Now, according to this, we discuss like this. Here, if you want minor of this element A11, if you write minor of A11, it is given by M11. So how can you find M11? We can take the determinant by deleting this column and this row. We get only one element, that is A22. It is called minor of the first element. Similarly, minor of this element, that is minor of A12. It is given by the symbol M12. Now it is the determinant obtained by deleting that column and that row where it is present. That is, if you delete this column and this row, we get A21 element, that is called minor of this element. Similarly, minor of third element, that is minor of A21, is given by M21. It is given by deleting this column and this row. Which element we get here? A12. That is minor of this element. Similarly, minor of A22, minor of A22 is given by symbol M22. It is equal to deleting this column and this row where it is present, we get A11. A11 is called minor of the element A22. So like this, we find the minor of every element of second determinant. If we consider one example, find the minors of determinant. It is 3, 2, 5, 7. If we given like this, then we write the minor of first element, that is 3. We write it as minor of, first we calculate minor of 3, it is given by M11 because it is A11 element. It is equal to, now deleting this column and this row we get answer 7. It is the answer for that. Similarly, minor of second element 2, it is given by minor of 2. It is given by symbol M12. Now if you delete this column and this row, we get the element 5. That is the minor of this element. Similarly, minor of 5, minor of 5 equal to, it is M21. For this 5, you delete this row and this column, we get answer 2. Therefore, minor of 5 is 2. Similarly, minor of A22 element 7 is nothing but M22, and it is obtained by deleting this column and this row. We get that element is 3. So these are called minors of the every element of the given determinant. So if it is a second order, we are having 4 elements, each element having 1 minor. For 4 elements, you are getting the 4 minors. Every element having 1 minor. It is obtained by deleting that column and deleting that row where it is present. In general, minor of the element Aij is given by Mij. It is obtained by deleting ith row and jth column where it is present. Like that, we define the minor of second order matrix. If we consider another example, find the minors of, it is 2 minus 1 6 8. If we given this determinant, then we write first minor of 2 equal to M11. So how can you calculate minor of 2? Deleting this column and this row. Which element we get? 8. It is minor of 2. Next, minor of minus 1. It is given by M12. M12 given by deleting this column and this row. We get element is 6. Next, minor of 6 equal to M22. So deleting this column and this row, I get minus 1. Similarly, minor of element 8, it is M22. M22 is deleting this column and this row, I get answer 2. So like this, we find the minor of every element in case of second order matrix. Take these solutions. Now we discuss how to calculate the minors of determinant of order 3. For that, we consider one example. Find the minors of the determinant. It is 3 minus 1 2 4 5 6 minus 2 0 8. So it is a third order determinant. Now we take it as delta. Delta is given third order determinant. Now we calculate minors of every element. Now there are totally 9 elements. We get totally 9 minors. For each element we get 1 minor. Now we go for one by one. First we calculate minor of 3. We write it as minor of 3. Minor of 3 is given by M11. M11 is nothing but it is first row and first column element. Now to calculate minor of this, according to the definition, we delete this column and this row. We get one determinant, that is 5608. We write the determinant form 5608. Now the answer is 5 into 8 is 40 minus 0 is 40. So the minor of first element is 40. Next we write minor of minus 1. It is given by M12. So For M12, it is deleted this column and this row. We get 4, 6 minus 2, 8. We write as 4, 6 minus 2, 8. Now, according to second order expansion, it is written as 4 into 8, 32 minus 2 into 6 minus 12. So, it is 32 plus 12. It is 44. It is minor of the second element. Next, we go for minor of third element, that is 2. It is given by M13. Because it is A13 element, minor is M13. Now for this, we delete this column and this row. We get 4, 5 minus 2, 0. So the answer is 4 into 0 is 0, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. So it is equal to 10. So these are minors of first row elements. Next we go for second row, that is element 4, minor of 4 equal to, now for 4 we delete this row and this column, we get minus 1 2 0 8. It is given by M21. It is minus 1 2, it is 0 8. Where the element is present, that row and columns are deleted. Here 4 is present here, we delete this column and this row. Then we get 4 elements, that is minus 1 2 0 8. If you take determinant of that, it is nothing but minor of that element. Now simplifying this, we get minus 1 into 8 is 8, minus 0, answer is minus 8. Next we go for minor of element 5. So minor of 5, it is nothing but M22 element. Minor of 5 is given by deleting this row and this column. We get 3 2 minus 2 8. Determinant of 3 2 minus 2 8. It is equal to 3 8 is 24, minus of minus is plus 4. It is 28. Now we go for this minor of 6. Minor of 6 equal to M23. It is given by the determinant. By deleting this row and this column, we get 3 minus 1 minus 2 0. So the answer is 0 minus of 2 minus 2 minus 1 is plus 2. Answer is minus 2. Next, minor of, next to go for third row, that is minus 2. Minus 2 is A31 element. Therefore, the minor is given by M31 and determinant of this is deleting this row and this column. We get minus 1 2 5 6. Minus 1 2 5 6. So the answer is minus 6 minus 10. It is minus 16. Next, we go for minor of element 0. It is equal to M32 and determinant of this is deleting this column and this row. We get 3 2 4 6. So the answer is 3 6 are 18 minus 4 2 are 8. It is 10. Next we go for last element, minor of 8. Minor of 8 is nothing but it is M33 element because it is present in third row and third column. Then we delete this column and this row. For this we get elements 3 minus 1 4 5 for the determinant. We write determinant as 3 minus 1 4 5. Now simplifying this, we get 3 5s are 15 plus 4 minus into minus plus, it is equal to 19. So these are minors of the given determinant of a given square matrix. Like that, we can use the result for calculating the minors. Which minor we are calculating? At that time, we delete that column and that row where it is present. Then we get one determinant by using four elements. Then we evaluate that determinant. That itself is the minor of that element. Like that, it is applied for all the 9 elements to calculate the minor of each element. Take the solution. It is minors of this determinant. Like that, we calculate minors of every element. Next, we go for another example. Find the minors of the determinant, which elements are 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now we calculate one by one. First, we go for this element 1, that is written minor of 1, it is written as M11. Now deleting this row and this column, we get 4 elements, 5 minus 1, 1, 2. It is written as 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Now expanding this determinant, we get it is 5 to the 10 plus 1. It is equal to 11. Next, we write minor of second element 0. It is given by M12. Now we write the determinant. By deleting this column and this row, we get 3 minus 1, 0, 2. So the answer is 6 minus 0 or 6 plus 0 equal to 6. Next, minor of second row element, that is 3. It is a minor of 4. We take it is equal to M13, and determinant is deleting this column and this row, you get 3, 5, 0, 1. So the answer is 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Next, we go for second row first element, that is minor of 3. It is M21 element. Now deleting this column and this row, we get 0, 4, 1, 2. Now it is 0 minus 4 minus 4. Next, minor of element 5, it is M22. Determinant of this is deleting this column and this row, we get 1, 4, 0, 2. So this is equal to, it is 2 minus 0, it is 2. Next, minor of element minus 1, it is M23. Determinant, deleting this column and this row, we get 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Next, minor of third row element, that is 0, it is M31, and deleting this row and this column, we get 0, 4, 5 minus 1. So the answer is 0 minus 20, it is equal to minus 20. Next, minor of next element is 1 equal to M32. For M32, this element, we delete this column and this row, we get 1, 4, 3 minus 1. So the answer is minus 1, minus 12, minus 13. Next, last element, that is minor of 2. It is equal to M33. It is given by deleting third column and third row, we get 1035. So this is equal to 1 into 5, 5 minus 0, it is equal to 5. So like this, we calculate minor of every element by using the definition of minors of the given element. Now we calculate like this all the minors of the elements of given determinant. Take the solution. Next we go for cofactors. If we are perfect in minor, it is easy to understand the cofactors of the determinant of every element of a matrix. Now cofactors is defined on the basis of minors only. Suppose you are having the square matrix A equal to Aij, and it is having, depending on the order, if it is second order it is having 4 elements, if it is third order it is having 9 elements, then the cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by the symbol capital Aij. This Aij stands for cofactor of the element Aij. Now it is defined by Aij equal to, it is minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. So this is the definition for the cofactor of a given matrix. Now depending on the Ij value, we are getting that element cofactor. Suppose I equal to 1, j equal to 1, we get cofactor of the element A11. If I equal to 1, j equal to 2, we get cofactor of the element A12 and so on. So here Mij is nothing but, again as we discussed already, Mij is nothing but minor of an element Aij. It is again minor of the element Aij only. That is, only the new thing is this minor is multiplied by minus 1 power I plus j. So if the power is even, we get the positive sign. If the power is odd, we get the minus sign. Just by observing Ij values, directly also we can write the sign. If we change the sign of this minor, then we get the cofactors according to this formula. Now we discuss with one example. Find the cofactors of the determinant it is 5, 6, minus 1, 3. Now it is a second order determinant. Now we calculate cofactor of each element. Here 4 elements are there. We calculate 4 cofactors for each element. So first we go for first cofactor, that is 5. First we write cofactor of 5. It is given by which formula? It is minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. It is symbol is A11. It is minus 1 power I plus j into Mij. Now here we observe that I value is 1 and j value is 1. Now you substitute I and j equal to 1. Now we get minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into M11 is M11 only are getting. Means cofactor is nothing but here. Cofactor of 5 is nothing but M11 answer. M11 how can you get here? Here M1 is getting by deleting this column and this row, that is nothing but 3. So our answer is 3 for this one. Therefore we get A11 equal to 3. Next we go for cofactor of second element, that is 6. It is given by A12 because this element position is A12. Now using this formula, minus 1 power I plus j into mij. So this is equal to I value is 1 here, j value is 2. We write minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into m12. So minus 1 power 3 into m12. So minus 1 power 3 is minus 1 into m12. Answer is it is minus m12. If power is odd, as I told, we get the negative sign. Now m12 we calculate by this determinant. M12 is deleting this column and this row, we get minus 1. So we get answer minus of minus 1, it is equal to plus 1. It is cofactor of element 6. Next we go for cofactor of element. Third element is minus 1. So it is nothing but A21. It is formula minus 1 power I plus j into mij. It is minus 1 power I is 2, j is 1, 2 plus 1 into mij means m21. It is again minus 1 power 3 is minus 1 into m21 is minus m21. So m21 we know how to calculate. M21 is deleting this row and this column, we get answer 6. So minus of m21 means minus 6. Similarly we calculate cofactor of last element 3. It is equal to A22. It is minus 1 power I plus j into mij. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into m22. So this is equal to minus 1 power 4. Minus 1 power 4 is 1. 1 into m22 is m22. So m22 is the minor element of this, that is given by deleting this row and this column. We get element is 5. It is equal to 5. Therefore we get 4 cofactors of 4 element, that is cofactor of 5 is 3 and 6 is 1, minus 1 is minus 6 and 3 is 5. These are cofactors of the every element of given determinant. Like that we calculate the cofactors. Take this. Bas. Now we go for another example. Find the cofactors of all the elements of the determinant 7, minus 1, 3, minus 6. These are 4 elements. Now we go for cofactor of each element. First we go for cofactor of element 7. It is nothing but A11 because it is first row, first column element. Now it is given by formula minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into minor of this element is deleting this row and this column, we get minus 6. So this is equal to minus 1 power 2 is plus 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So the first cofactor is minus 6. Next cofactor of second element, that is minus 1. It is A12. It is given by minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into minor of this element is deleting this column and this row, we get 3 into 3, right? It is minus 1 cube into 3. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next cofactor of element 3 is given by a to 1. According to formula it is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into minor. So minor of this element is, deleting this column and this row, we get minus 1. So we get minus 1 cube into minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1. It is plus 1. Next, fourth element, cofactor of next element is minus 6. It is a to 2. It is given by minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into minor. Minor of minus 6 is, deleting this column and this row, you get it is 7. So it is equal to 7, and we simplify this. Minus 1 power 4, it is 1. 1 into 7. 1 into 7 equal to 7. So these are cofactors of this given determinant of the given matrix. We get cofactors. Now we go for third order determinant to calculate the cofactors. Next, we go for find the cofactors of all elements of the determinant. We take 1 0 2 3 1 minus 1 4 3 8. Now we go for this example. Now we calculate one by one. So we take it as delta. Delta is given 1 0 2 3 1 minus 1 4 3 8. Now we calculate one by one. First cofactor, that is cofactor of 1. It is given by a11. Now it is given by, it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into minor. Minor of this element 1 is, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 minus 1 3 8. So it is equal to minus 1 square into 8 plus 3. Minus 1 square is 1. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next, cofactor of second element, cofactor of 0. It is a12. It is given by minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into minor. By deleting this column and this row, we get 3 minus 1 4 8. Now it is minus 1 cube into 24 plus 4. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 28 is minus 28. It is second cofactor. Next, cofactor of third element 2. It is given by a13. It is minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into minor. Minor of this given by, deleting this column and this row, we get 3 1 4 3. So it is equal to minus 1 power 4 is 1. 1 into 9 minus 4. It is equal to 5. Next, we go for cofactor of element 3. It is given by a21. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into minor. So minor of this element a21 is this element. Deleting this row and this column, we get 0 2 3 8. determinant is 0 to 3 8. Now we get it is minus 1 cube into 0 minus 6. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 6. It is equal to 6. Next, cofactor of element 1. It is nothing but a22. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into minor. For this, deleting this column and this row, you get 1 2 4 8. Now we get minus 1 power 4 is 1. 1 into 8 minus 8, it is 0. Next, cofactor of minus 1, it is a23. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 3, it is 5. Into determinant of this is deleting this row and this column, we get 1043. 1043. It is minus 1 power 5 is minus 1 into 3 minus 0. Answer is minus 3. Next, cofactor of next element is 4. It is equal to minus, it is element is a31 minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into minor. The minor of this element is given by deleting this row and this column 0 to 1 minus 1. So it is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 into 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. Next, cofactor of element 3. It is given by minus a3 2. It is minus 1 for 3 plus 2 into minor. Minor of this element is 1 2 3 minus 1. You write determinant 1 2 3 minus 1. So minus 1 power 5 is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. It is equal to 7. Next, cofactor of last element. It is last element is 8. It is a33 minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into determinant. Determinant of this is given by deleting this row and this column. We get 1031. Now here minus 1 power 6 is even number. It is 1. It is 1 into 1. It is equal to 1. Like this we calculate all the cofactors of the determinant of given matrix. Take these solutions. Next we go for one similar example. Here determinant is given as delta equal to 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. Now we calculate cofactor of every element by using the same formula. First we go for cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2, it is a11. It is given by minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into minor. Minor of this element is deleting this column and this row, you get 0 4 5 minus 7. So this is equal to minus 1 power 2 is 1 into 0 minus 20. It is equal to minus 20. Next, cofactor of second element minus 3, that is a12. It is given by minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into minor of the determinant. Deleting this column and this row, you get 6 4 1 minus 7. So this is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 2 is minus 1 into minus 42 minus 4, minus 42 minus 4 is minus 46 into minus plus 46. Next, cofactor of next element is 5. It is A13. It is minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into minor. For this, we delete this column and this row, we get 6015. So this is equal to minus 1 power 4 is 1. 6 into 5 is 30 minus 0. So this is equal to 30. Next, we go for cofactor of next element is 6. It is given by A21. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into minor. For this element, deleting this row and column, we get minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7. So this is equal to minus 1 cube into 21 minus 25. It is minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 4. It is 4. Next, cofactor of next element is 0. It is A22. It is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into minor. The determinant is given by, for this element, deleting this column and this row, we get 2, 5, 1 minus 7. So this is minus 1 power 4 is 1 into minus 14 minus 5. It is minus 19. Next, cofactor of element 4. It is A23. It is minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into minor. Minor of this element is, deleting this row and this column, we get 2 minus 3, 1, 5. So it is minus 1 power 5 is minus 1 into 10 plus 3 minus 1 into 13 is minus 13. Next, cofactor of next element is 1. It is equal to A31. It is minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into minor. Minor of this element is, deleting this column and this row, we get minus 3504. So this is minus 1 power 4 is 1 into minus 12 minus 0. It is minus 12. Next, cofactor of next element is 5. It is A32. It is minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into minor. Minor of this element is, deleting this row, column and this row, we get 2, 5, 6, 4. So it is minus 1 into 2 4 is 8 minus 30. So it is minus of minus 22 is plus 22. Next, cofactor of last element. Cofactor of last element is minus 7. It is given by A33. So it is minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into minor. Minor of this element is, deleting this column and this row, 2 minus 3 6 0. We get, it is minus 1 power 6 is 1 into 0 plus 18. It is equal to 18. So like this we calculate all the cofactors of this element. Take this one. So like this we calculate all the cofactors of the given determinant of a matrix. Suppose we want the cofactor matrix for this question. We write like this: cofactors of matrix A is given by, we write all the cofactors in matrix form, which is third order matrix. We write all along with their position, that is -20, 46, and third element is 30. It is in first row, and second row is given by 4, -19, -13, and the third row is given by, it is -12, 22, and last element is 18. So this matrix is called the cofactors of matrix A, in which every element is got by its cofactor element. Therefore it is called cofactors of matrix A. It is useful for calculating next adjoint of the square matrix. For that we must perfect in the calculating cofactor matrix of given square matrix. In the next class we go for adjoint of the square matrix.